Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by preparing your phone and account so time passwords work reliably. Install an authenticator app and make sure your device clock is synced to network time. Drift breaks codes. Next, sign into the service and open its two-factor or top setup page. You'll see a QR code or secret key. Don't leave this page yet. Keep a backup method ready, like printed recovery codes. Once done, you'll be ready to add the generated secret into your app. Now you add the secret into your authenticator and verify it actually works. Scan the QR code with your app or type the secret key manually and check that a 30-second countdown and account label appear. Then take the current 6-digit code and enter it on the service's verification field. This confirms alignment. If the code is rejected, resync the phone clock or retype the secret carefully. Once verified, the service will mark two-factor as active and often show backup codes. Store them. Finish by securing recovery options and testing sign-in. Save printed or encrypted backup codes in a safe place and make sure you can use them to regain access. If you later can't log in because codes are rejected, first resync your phone's clock to network time and try again. If that fails, re-provision the account using the original secret or contact support. Make sure to set up a secondary authenticator or hardware key for redundancy so you won't be locked out.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.